Hey yo, food lovers! Oh, it is a poppin' experimental food back with another video. And so today, guys, we are going to be making some homemade fried rice. And a little sneak peek of this video, guys. I've never made fried rice in my life, so I can't really say how to make it. Completely experimental, definitely going to be fun, so let's get started. Alright, guys, so the basic ingredients of any fried rice are obviously rice, carrots, peas, green onions to add color, and usually you need some olive oil, obviously because it's fried, so you have to fry it. And so yeah, so the first thing we're gonna prep is these, because we're just gonna cut them up, and then usually these we're just gonna cut off a couple bits of this, and then we're gonna fry this with all this, and it's gonna be super good. So yeah, guys, let's get started. Alright, guys, so obviously before we get to that, we need to get a skillet here because we're gonna fry it. And so I picked up a little trick from my friend Jaden. He uses magic. Obviously his channel is called Yam Sauce, and I'll put his channel in the description, guys. So if you want to see his videos, just check there. And so I'm gonna move this skillet onto the stove using magic. So here we go. Just gotta concentrate and magic. Bam! It's there. How cool is that, guys? Alright, but now let's go prep the ingredients. Alright, guys, so we're gonna prep the carrots now. Carrots are super easy to cut, but they might take a while, so we're just gonna do a time lapse. So yeah, let's do that. Boom! Alright, guys, so with the green onions, we're just gonna dice them up. So yeah, let's do that. Easy. Alright, guys, so I forgot that fried rice requires an egg, so I'm gonna put this one in now. I really hope I know how to crack an egg. Move the butter around a little bit. I think I probably got some shell in there, but that's alright. Oh no. Hey, I did good, guys. Well, okay, let's cook this now. Alright, guys, so while that's cooking, we're just gonna get the oil hot for the fry rice. Let's just turn this on. And yeah, so let this get hot and let the egg cook, and then we'll put this together. So yeah, it'll be good. Alright, guys, so it's time to throw the rice in. And I'm just gonna use this little pink thing, because obviously, dab. Okay, anyway. I'll take this, whoa. That was cool. Alright. Alright, guys. So, let's throw the other stuff in. Carrots. Green onions. Peas. Hey, this is not looking that bad, guys. Go, and then throw the egg in there. Oops. Alright, boom. Let's go. Alright, guys, so we threw this in, and it's looking pretty good. I'm still not very sure about what the heck I'm doing, guys. But so far, so good. So yeah, we'll just let this keep cooking, and I'll keep stirring it, and hopefully it'll turn out pretty well. Alright, guys, so we're totally going to go off track here, totally going to experiment, but I have
soy sauce!
A bottle of soy sauce, and I thought, might as well use it, right? So let's just go like this, really lightly.
Boom!
That's good. Gives it the nice brown color. Wow. Alright. It's good. So we're gonna finish up cooking this, and then we're gonna plate it up. Alright, guys, so I realized we haven't seasoned this except for the soy sauce. So we're just gonna throw some garlic powder. Oops. Well, that was the last of our bottle, so I thought I might as well use it. And also, I'm going to throw in a little tiny bit of onion powder because That's too much. Onion powder is very strong, so I'm just gonna throw in a little bit, tiny little bit. So now we're actually gonna let it cook until it's done, and then hopefully we're gonna have a good product. So yeah. So guys, again, I am gonna use magic by transferring this fried rice to this blue plate. All right, and just gotta concentrate and magic. All right, guys. So we have some chopsticks on this, but to try this, I'm gonna use a fork. So let's just get a big old piece here. Oh. Wow, guys, that's really good. That's actually really good. All right. So, I have another person on set with me today. My mom.
Hi guys.
All right. So yeah. So I'm gonna grab the camera and then Mom, you can taste this. Cool.
Great.
All right, guys. So now Mom's gonna taste this. What do you think, Mom?
I think it looks beautiful. Nice presentation. Carrots, eggs, peas, green onions. Very nice. Good seasoning. Crispy, not soggy. Way to go, Ty.
Thanks, Mom. All right, guys. Experimental food. This is the end of the video. Anyway, make sure to subscribe, guys, and like, and also hit the bell for notifications about all my new videos. And so yeah, we're gonna end the video now. And so this is Ty signing off.